dun, dun. Na 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 na. We got to take down that bear. First, you must go through us. Run, master. I got this one. You cannot face me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? Yeah. Stay back. You must face us before you face the master. How do you get? How do you make sense? Mwahaha. Wow, that's pretty creepy. 6 and 5? Hurry up, you guys. No. We need everyone in this episode. Why won't she go down? Don't you backstab me! Get off of me! Wow, you're so helpful. Whoa! You guys? We can't face them. We need someone else. How about me? What? You're not exactly the fighting type. That don't mean I don't got no home, lady. Magic beam! If I could blow it. Who cares? That's all I can do. My magic doesn't recharge until an hour. What? Great. Wait, there's still one left. Get off of me! So tight. Well, she's one savage little lady. Ha! Ha! Wahaha! Ha! Wah! They're coming back and fast! That's it. What? That's it. We're done. We can't fight them. What? What are you talking about? There's too many, and we can't fight them. But we just got back out. No. What? No. Scoot back, you guys. You mess with the cat, you get the claws! Get stuck. Whoa. Come on, guys, let's go. Just like in the video game, the boss level. Oh god, I hate the boss level. It's always really hard because there's all the things, and then they attack you, and then the minions all come back and... Metaphorically speaking. Oh, right. Well. You have come because you think you can defeat me? I lost. I scoff. You have reached to the boss. But he's the one you cannot defeat. Whoa! Ah! 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 Ruff! Ha! Whoa! Ah! Ah! Wow! Aerial attack! Oh man! Ha! 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 No one can defeat me. Ah! No one! No one. And I will take them as my hostage. No one can defeat me. There's no way we can defeat him. He's too strong. Way too strong. We would need a whole army to defeat that thing. Light bulb, you guys! What? I am a million. Probably the best idea you ever had. Hey, I have good ideas. No, but that one's really good. We are your minions. That's it. It's over, you guys. First time we can defeat it. Okay. We would need an army, though. No, Bob! Sit down. No! This one is really good. Hold on one second. I don't think I'm gonna like what she's gonna do. We're ready to help. What? Woo! We're ready to defeat that punk! Defeat him! Whoa! You think... You said you needed an army. And we're right here. That's it. Perfect! This guy said you needed an army. Ha! Ha! You again. Ha! Get off of me! No! Die, you evil! Die! Get off! Ambush! Ambush! Woo! Woo! Get off of me! Ha! Never! You used us as hostages, and now you're going down! Help! We did it, you guys! We did it! We defeated the boss. Not yet! Mwahaha! I am so big and bad, baby! Oh, really? Oh, you're so small. What do you think you can do? This thing? Whoa! Can't get up! hurry before he finds a way to get up. Ha! Ha! Ah! Go into the swimming, you idiot! Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Uh-huh. We did good. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, guess that's it. And thank you for watching. Bye.